Assalamu alaikum. Today I am here to discuss with you a very important topic. Only one way you can learn English language. That is what someone was trying to become a fluent speaker for a long time, but still now he is in a same position, but he is not getting a good result. So I think in this field for a long time in this field, and alhamdulillah, by the grace of God, I can also share with you something in English language. So I have a proper knowledge and also up and down, and what is the reason which things also stop us from become a fluent speaker. What happened? What is the reality? Whenever we listen some videos from by some motivational speaker, and whenever we see the reality about English language, and when we think need of this language, so that time we think anyhow any cost I will learn this language, but we don't understand from where we should start, from where we should learn. This is a mystery. If you want to go and through the YouTube, so there is unlimited speaker, and everyone have a different type of course. So you feel confused from where and from how should I start. And after 2 3 days, another biggest problem with us, we give up when we feel some confusion and also problem, we give up. So it is happen. So stay with me in this video. I will clear with you my journey. How? Even my all journey was in Islamic institution. From there I completed my graduation. After that I started this course, means college and school course. But alhamdulillah I have a knowledge how to speak in English language. So, as having a long experience, I want to share with you what was the my routine. Because if you want to really learn English language, if you have a plan, somebody will tell you grammar is not important. Somebody will tell you just listen, but you have to follow a rhythm. For example, when a songs need a good quality of music also, and also rhythm also, then you will feel comfortable for listening these songs. So English also same. When you will follow step by step and every parts, then you will see a result within a short time period. So in my case, how I learned this language. So before starting this journey, means I completed a small course, and there I learned about all grammar structures. When you have not a, when you don't have a knowledge about grammar structure, so how will you form and frame the sentences? Because English is a say. You can't mug up all the sentence and words. It is impossible. So, really, if you want to learn English language and if you want to speak English confidently as a gentleman, as like a foreigner, and you want to achieve a good command on this language, so start from grammar rule. I am not telling about the more deep. In English grammar is two type. One is basic English grammar. There you have to learn about the verb tenses and also passive and also model verb also, and simple sentences, ism or sentence also, and how to frame the question and no normal sentence. So you have to know. Without that, you can't imagine in learn English language when you are staying in a non-native place. Because if you go out of India and foreign country, their English is the first language. So there you don't need to learn grammar language, because we learn our mother tongue without English, our mother tongue grammar. Our mother tongue also have a three tenses: past, present, future. But never ever we learn this grammar. Just we listen and understand and try to copy and paste. That's how we learn. Because every time we are listening, we are asking, we are giving answer and reply in same language. So we have an idea how we can give the answer for this particular situation. So, if you go out of India and if you stay there for a long time, so then it is possible for you. Without grammar knowledge of grammar, you can learn, I am sure. But when you are staying in same country, non-native English language, so there you have to learn English grammar, basic grammar. And after that, when I was also reading about English. But my last graduation was in English language. So there I had to learn this language many more time, because my all syllabus was in English language. Because by reading you can understand the language, and you can now improve your comprehension now skill. If you not have you if you are not understanding the language actually what the author is telling, then how will you understand the when a speaker will speak so fastly? So if you want to improve your comprehension skill, and if you want to understand the English when your front person speak, and if you want to learn, so that time you have to read. Reading will give you a direction, and it will improve your grammar part also and vocabulary part also. Third thing, you have to general, because when you will try to writing English, start from basic. Write your about day, some whatever you like. If you watch some movie, try to summarize in one a page. If you have any important story and event of day, to try to note down, try to summarize in a short phrase, and try to writing habit of writing. These things will give you an idea. People say I can write but I can't speak. It is totally biggest lie, because whose person have an idea how to express this particular sentence, how to frame this particular sense in English language, how is not possible to speak? Maybe he feel hesitation, but very easily he will make and frame the sentence. But actually he know the academic English, that type of English he know. But general life English and practical life English is totally different. But when you will try to summarize things and you try to write some things in English language, so day by day you will have an idea how to means write and address and express the knowledge and emotion. It is so easy, and I do it even nowadays. I also do it, and it is important. How long you are learning English language doesn't matter. From day on to day last, you have to do these things. How much you will write, you will have a clarification in your language. If you have a dream to speak fluent English, so you have to speak. Now you will tell, "Okay, from where I will have a partner and I am staying in same place, there is no partner. How I will find a partner with whom I will practice?" So nowadays we are era of internet, and many more free app is available. Just download and very freely you will have a partner with whom you can practice hour and hour. For that you not have to pay any single rupee. Just totally free. So for that, go Play Store and write a single word means many more app, just free English conversation app. So they will give you many more free app. So anyone you can download and start talking, and it is this problem also solved. And fourth one, try to think in English. It is difficult. It is so difficult. Even I am also in this field for a long time, but still now whenever I try to realize my brain to start suddenly thinking in English language. But whenever I am aware, I am not giving a focus on my brain, it is thinking in mother tongue, either Hindi language. So this is a problem. But when you will try day by day, our brain will have a habit and try to do it because we have a dream. Because without pain, nothing possible. Everywhere you go, so you have to bear the pain. Without bear, you can't imagine become a fluent English speaker. You have to be pain. You have to many more time. You will do hard work, but when you will try to speak, so made you will make mistake. Whatever you are watching in my conversation also, so don't worry about your mistakes. Day by day, just practice, practice, practice. I told you five things. First, try to focus on your grammar part. Try to read. Number two, reading. Number three, listening. I did not tell about listening. Listening is also most important because when we are a child, that time minimum 2 years we listen our sound of our mother tongue. After that, we are trying to bring from our vocal cord means very small word. And day by day we are trying, and now we can speak same language with flow. So you have to listen. Listening is the most important thing. So whatever I share with you, only this process can make you perfect and fluent speaker. There is no another option. You can take admission very good to good institution, and you can take coaching from a very high level English speaker, but they also will tell you same five things. Five things means grammar also, listening also, reading also, thinking also, speaking also. So by this only is process, many I think all learner of English language they also learn English language this process, and a new come also will people will learn also English language by this process. So if you have a good dream of desire to learn English language very well, so follow these five things, and this way only can you can become a good and great fluent speaker. For today, that is enough. Tomorrow we will have a new topic. Thank you for